How was a character created? Well, there were many 4 ways to create a character, and they are called 造字法, principles of formation of Chinese character. The first one is 象形, pictogram. Meaning is to use simplified pictures to express material objects. One example is character 山, which means mountain. So imagine ancient people first saw a mountain and tried to record it for some reason. The most direct way would be drawing a picture of it, right? But with limited tools and ability of expressing, they could only carve it in just a few strokes with maybe a knife made of stone and on animal bones. And that became oracle bone inscriptions, which I introduced in the last video. Time passed by and script had changed, but you can still see the trace of its origin from the character's present look. Other examples are 日, which means sun, and 月, which means moon. The second formation is 指示, simple ideogram. It was created because pictogram had too many limitations, like maybe things got too complicated to draw, or it was not material objects, so they couldn't draw the outline of it. So to solve these problems, Asian people started to add extra symbolic strokes on a simple drawing, or use iconic illustrations directly. For example, they first created character 木, which means tree, in pictogram. And then to express the roots and the top of a tree, they added a dash on their tree drawing, and that created character 本, which means roots, and character 末, which means the end. Other examples are character 上, up, and character 下, down. To express these virtual meanings, Asian people used a dash above and below an arc to express that something is above or below the earth. The third formation is 会意, compound ideograph. Is to combine 2 or more already existed pictogram or ideogram to create a new meaning. For example, by putting character 日, sun, and character 月, moon, together, we get a new character, 明, which means bright, because obviously they both are. Another example is character 从, which means follow. It's a combination of 2 same pictogram, 人, which means person. And you can see from its formation that it's one person after another, and that gave the meaning follow to character 从. The fourth formation is 形声, Phono-Semantic Compound, which is also the main formation of modern Chinese characters. Almost 80% of present characters were created this way. Literally, it means that a character was formed with 2 parts. One part for meaning, which is mainly pictogram, the other part for sound, which could be created in any kind of formation. For example, character 羊, which means sheep, was first created in pictogram and it's pronounced as 羊. Another character, 样, was first a drawing of a sheep standing beside a tree near a river. Looks like there's a tree that has fruits attracting the sheep. So originally it meant fruit of oak. Now it expands to the meaning sample. So in this way, character 样 was formed with the meaning part, 木, tree, and the sound part, 羊, except that 样 is 4th tongue and 羊 is 2nd tongue. Other characters that have sound parts of 羊 are 羊, 羊, 养, 养. This is kind of good news for foreigners to learn Chinese, because as introduced, 80% of present characters are phono-semantic compounds. So once you have learned some basic simple characters, you would be able to pronounce complicated characters that have those simple ones as sound part. Even though their meanings could be totally irrelevant and the tongues could be different, but still it would save a lot of work remembering its pronunciation. In the next video, I'll be introducing more characters meaning this formation. So see you next time!